All right, question 15 from homework 11.3. We have a jar that has 4 blue marbles and 2 red marbles. All right, and we want to know the chances of drawing the first case a blue marble, then a red marble. Okay, so these are actually, maybe I should try to draw this out. So we've got 4 blue marbles and 2 that are red. All right, so that's our jar. Can't get the right color I want here for my jar, but let's just say that's our jar there. Okay, and so on our first draw here, let's be another color, we'll do pink here. So here, chances you draw a blue marble. So our chance of getting a blue marble is 4 out of 6 on the first draw, but then it says you do not replace it. So on the second draw, right, we've taken out one of the blue marbles. So now on my second draw, my chances of getting a blue marble, no, I get a blue marble and then a red marble. So I got a blue on the first one, but then my red marble chances are 2, there's 2 red marbles left out of 5 total. Okay, so if I multiply those together, that gives me 8 out of 30, because this is an and. You want to do this one and this one. So you get 8/30ths or 4/15. So I have a 4/15 chance of drawing blue and then red. All right, if I go back to the start here, so the second question, it says both of them are red, so it'd be red and red. So what I would do here is the chance the first time I get a red is just 2 out of 6. Okay, and then this red is now gone, so now we've gotten rid of it. So now our chances of getting a red on the second one is just 1 out of 5. If you multiply those together, you get 2 out of 30 or 1/15. So not very likely that we'll get both our red without replacing. So 1/15 is your answer there. Sorry I didn't show up very good.